close your eyes for a second and imagine a place where the air is pure and the world is quiet. Welcome to the peaks. There's something about these mountains that makes everything else feel small. The wind whispers stories of old, and the crowds they just drift by unhurried. It's a reminder to slow down.
Would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want this life.
Nature does not rush, and everything is accomplished. Stay wind, stay free, and keep exploring. Until next time.